Show me love, show me love, show me that shit. Show me love, show me love.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell at the bottom. I'm gonna be doing Maddy inspired makeup from Euphoria. So I picked up some Swarovski crystals. I'm gonna probably try to recreate this look that she did. Literally loved it, and I just feel like it was so cute, and I just wanted to like try and make my own rendition of it. I am having like some slight issues with my ring light. For some reason it's just like not working, but we're still gonna roll with it. We're still gonna be great, you know, no sabotage allowed. As you can see, I have actually straightened my hair, so I'll do like a length view. My hair is growing a lot and it's very thick, and it was this time around honestly so hard to straighten, but I wanted to straighten my hair for this look, otherwise it honestly wouldn't have made sense to me. I had to try something different and give you guys something different, and all in all I think this was so fun to do, and I think this is such a fun look. I hope you guys enjoy this look. Let's get right into it. I am pretty much all prepped. I'm taking a new color from the MORPHE palette and just going into my crease. So here we go. I'm gonna try to be as light as possible with my strokes. Yeah, Maddy has like this really soft ground right under the brows, so I wanted to make sure I had that. I'm just gonna be taking my BH Cosmetics crease brush, and I'm just gonna kind of get some pinkish hues under there. There's more of like an iridescent look, kind of sparkly iridescent look, so I'm actually going to be taking like a blush sparkle right there and just kind of working that in. I'm breaking out, so please do not bash me in the comments. Like, this is like the worst I've ever broke out before. It is real life sparkles happening here. Looks like she has kind of going in like light to kind of a dark shimmery blue, so it's a really light blue, and just grab this like really pigmented blue. Hopefully I don't like freak it up, but just kind of like tap that in there. That's good. I'm done. Now I'm gonna take that same blue, that iridescent blue, and kind of like bring it in a little bit more, just right up here. Take my NYX Epic ink liner, and I'm just going to try and recreate that amazing wing that she had. Guys, so I did my wings. Hopefully they're pretty much symmetrical, and then I kind of went in a little bit towards the inner corners because she has that kind of going on right there. Time for lashes. The lashes that I'm wearing is regular Ardell Wispies from the Beauty Supply. So she kind of has like a natural lash thing going on, so I'm gonna put my lashes on and I'll be right back. Oh god. Primer. Prime my face really quick. She is really faint, like really faint, really faint bronzer on. So I'm just gonna take a little bit, like 2 dots. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.